Hello everybody, it's Natasha and today I have another Timberdoodle review for you. This one is on IQ6 Pro. This is an educational game that is perfect for travel, perfect for homeschooling, and perfect for getting those critical thinking skills and logic skills going. So let me show you this game. It comes in this really little compact case, so it's really handy to throw in a backpack or a purse to take along with you wherever you're going. My daughter took it to camp with her, for example. It's great for car schooling. So we've got the booklet here, which is a must, and all the little pieces here, and then the board, okay? So we've got all these different colored pieces. I'll set those down, and the board, and I'm gonna show you the booklet. So the basic premise of this game is that you're going to place the puzzle pieces on the game board, how it's shown on the challenge, and then you're going to fill the empty spaces with all the remaining puzzle pieces. So each time you play, every piece will be played, if that makes sense. There's only one solution, which can be found at the end of this booklet. So as with all smart games, it starts off pretty easy and gets progressively harder and harder, and of course the ending puzzles are just really challenging. I always advise starting at challenge 1 and literally working your way up. If you have multiple kids working on it at the same time, they could always keep track with a different colored sticky tab or something of where they're at, but my kids just tend to remember where they're at, so it hasn't really been a problem. But here we've got the starter for one. So you would place all of these pieces on here exactly like it shows. So I will do that. Nope, there we go. Okay, so now let me make sure that mine looks like that. Yes, it does. And so then I'm going to solve the rest of the puzzle. So I have to kind of look at these shapes and think, okay, what can go where?
So I see this one, it looks like this.
Ta-da! Challenge 1 is done. But again, they get progressively harder into, we've got starter, junior, expert, and then master, and finally wizard. And then we have the solutions here. I hope that was helpful. Oh, my girls love this game. It's very handy to take with you when you are traveling or car schooling, and I highly recommend it. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can find it from Timberdoodle, and I will also leave a link to my entire Timberdoodle playlist. I have reviewed multiple smart games in the past, so take a look at all of those videos too and grab yourself some new games for your homeschool. All right, everybody, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you love all things education.